Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this video we are going to take a look at the MiJo exclusive Schuco European Classics. In the background you can see most of my Schuco collection. These are German releases in a window box, whereas the MiJo ones, being American releases, come in these blisters. There it is. So you got edition 164, limited to 2,400 pieces. MiJo exclusives. Land Rover Defender, metal plus plastic parts. Here it says MiJo Toys, that's the company that is collaborating with the Simba Dickey Group from Germany to release these in the United States. But they are also available in Europe. I will put a link in the description to the website where I got them from. So I've got 7 out of 10. I don't have the 991, I don't have the Golf, and I don't have the T3. The others I have, together with the corresponding chase pieces, raw pieces. So let's open these up. I've pre-cut these. You don't want to see me cut these open. So here's the first Land Rover Defender in silver. So these are metal on metal. You can see it still has the hole in the middle to be screwed down into the box, but of course it's not necessary on these. This one has a red interior and a black top. It's got tampos in the back, a spare wheel that is the same as the actual authentic wheels that are on the vehicle. And in the front we got lensed headlights. Something to notice here is that both of these lights are painted silver. We'll see on the other one, the bottom one is painted orange. We're going to first take a look at the regular ones, and then afterwards we take a look at the chase pieces. Second one. Whoops, I dropped some cars. That was not intended. Luckily they are still in the packaging. Clumsy me. So Camel Trophy livery in the typical Camel Trophy color. So here we get a black interior with a roof the same color as the vehicle. Everything else is pretty much the same, except for the indicator lights that I pointed out. Then the next model is the 918 Spider. So here we go, Martini livery. Metal on metal, and of course rubber tires, authentic wheels like they all have. This one has plastic inserts back and front. So it has a very detailed interior, as you can see. Diffuser. Very nice. Nicely detailed pieces. Then we got this Porsche 911 930 in red. So plain deco, nothing tempoed on these. On this one, it's got the turbo name in the back, very nice plastic insert. It's got the black Fuchs wheels, nice tan interior. It is very detailed, as you can see, the door cards, steering wheel, the seats, you know, in the typical 911 shape. Very nicely done. And then lensed headlights, fog lights painted and everything. Very nice. And the windscreen wipers are detailed. And we got this version. And they roll very well, as you can see. So this one's got the silver Fuchs wheels, got the Martini livery. Got a black interior on this one. Got the red bumper front and back. Nice racing livery. Then we got the T1, the van. In silver, and the Martini Racing livery. So got the red bumpers front and back. We got the painted taillights. It's a very heavy one. Lens headlights. Very nice. And then number 7 is the same Type 2 T1 van in a different Martini livery. Martini and Rossi, it says on the door. Big Martini logo on the side. And on the front also we get the same tempo scheme. Very cool. And then let's take a look at the chase pieces. These are all raw pieces. So this is the first one. So this corresponds with this one. As you can see, there's not that much of a difference. So when you see these hanging in your hobby store, at your hobby dealers, you're going to have to pay attention. This is more of a silver, metallic silver one, and this is a raw piece. Got the same black top, same red interior, everything the same, but this is just a raw piece, where this is metallic silver, this is unpainted. Just got a clear coat over it. You can see the metal mud flaps that are part of the base aren't painted either, but the wheel wells here did get some black paint in the door handles and some other details. Then next one is the camel one. This one, of course, is much easier to notice. So it does have the Camel Trophy tempo, but the rest of it is just raw. And we got the Porsche 918 Spider. So we got the same tempo scheme, just does not have the white color. Then the 930. Nice detail on this one is it has the red ring around the headlights. So that's the part that has been kept from the regular version, and the rest of it just raw. It does bring out the details much better, these raw ones. Sometimes, you know, like the logo and the paint gets a little bit less visible, where here you can clearly see it. Then the one in the Martini Racing livery. So again, a version that will be a little bit harder to distinguish, because this is metallic silver and this is a raw version. Everything else is the same, even the red bumpers are. And we got the van. Again, a version that does not differ that much, metallic silver and raw. And then the last one, the different Martini livery. So this one you can clearly see the difference, but it's cool, they did paint the bottom part but not the top part, so it's not completely raw. I guess the dark blue part is kind of part of the livery. So it still has the blue bumpers. And then for those of you who are still interested, I'm going to show some older releases of these castings. So for instance, this is the one and only other release of the Defender in white. So I think the rims are probably the same. Yeah, it's just black on these MiJo exclusives instead of silver. And the black interior on this one, red on this one, and the black top also. And here you get the orange indicator lights, and this one does have the silver ones. And I've also got a 930 in brown. So this also exists in metallic green. Unfortunately, I don't have that one. So this is pretty much the same except for the color. Well, with the difference that this one has a tan interior and the other one has a black interior, but the rims are the same, for example. And then there's I don't have the T1 van. I don't have a previous version of. I do have the 918. So in silver. This also exists in a black color. Don't have that one either. So here we got the same black interior. We got different style of rims, as you can see. And also these intake parts here on top are black. This way they are black. Yeah, it's the same. Sorry. Yeah, the same. Just the rims are different, and of course the color. So I don't have the T1 van. I don't have the T3 either. Don't have any version of that one. It's pretty hard to find. I do have a version of the 991. That's this one. So if you want to, and also have the blue version. I don't have the red version. So if you want to have an idea of what the casting looks like, of course it's not the MiJo exclusive, it's just a regular release, German release. Very nice casting, very cool one, this matte black one. And I also have a VW Golf previous release in red. This year it has been released in silver. I don't have any of the 2018 and 2019 releases. These are all releases from 2015 till 2017. Very cool red color. Brings back memories. Very nice version of the Golf. So that's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Please comment. I read and answer all of my comments. Thank you. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.